everybody, Carrie Mitchell here with another beginner dance tutorial for you. And today I'm going to be teaching you a combo to No Excuses by Meghan Trainor. And this choreography was featured in a video that went viral from the Ellen show. And this choreography was performed by Sean Hayes and members of Break the Floor Productions. And so I took that choreography and I modified it a little to make it more beginner friendly. And now I'm going to teach it to you. All right, so you're going to start on your right foot. We're going to travel forward. 5, 6, 7 feet, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step 7, touch your right foot out on 8. And you're just putting a little bit of weight on that toe, and it's kind of got a little bevel to it. So we kind of let it a little bit loose. Again, the feet go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Arms, your left arm is just going to hang out here on your hip, whichever way you're comfortable. And we're going to snap. So we're going to snap on the counts we're not stepping on. So 1 snap, 2, 3 snap, 4, 5 snap, 6. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 snap, 2, 3 snap, 4, 5 snap, 6 step, 7. And as you touch out on 8, we're just going to open our arms up in kind of a W with jazz hands, and I'm just going to tilt it over to my right. So we stepped on 7, touch it out on 8 with that tilt. And I'm going to take my head and I'm going to look over at my right hand. So this is on 7, 8. So again, that whole 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, snap, left, snap, right, snap, step, hit. Again, we count. It's a little faster. 5, 6, 7, right foot goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, look, 8. Now you're just going to take your feet and you're going to pull it in on 1, touch it back out on 2, pull it in on 3, touch it back out on 4. Our arms were here. We're just going to pull them in on 1 with your foot, back out on 2, pull them in on 3, back out on 4. And the head's just going to go with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg stays here on 5, 6. We're just going to take our hands and shake them. And they're going to go 5, 6. They're going to fold over our face on 7. And we're going to pull that right leg in at the same time. So you were here, and they go up 5, 6, 7. I'm going to take my head with it. So we're here. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to follow my hands up. 5, 6, and 7. On 8, I'm going to snap my fingers, pull them in. 8. My foot was here, and I'm going to pull it up into what we call a passe. So it's just going to come straight up, and I'm even going to go up on this left releve or just rise up on that left toe. All right, again from here, this whole 8 count. So we're looking over, we're going to pull it in on 1. 5, 6, 7, pull it in on 1, out, 2, in, 3, out, 4, shake, 5, 6 together, 7, 8. Yeah, very nice. Put that with that first 8 count. So we're going to go forward. 5, 6, 7, right foot goes 1 snap, 2, 3 snap, 4, 5 snap, 6, 7, out, 8, in, 1, out, 2, 3. Shake it up. 5, 6 together, 7, 8. So from here, you're just going to step out with that right foot, and we're going to take our hip to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your arm is just going to circle around, circle, circle, circle. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You were here, so this right arm was up by your side. It's just going to fall down, and that's where the circle starts. So we're here 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You're going to just hinge at your hips to the left corner. 5 up, 6, 7 up, 8. If you want to, you can kind of do a little body roll. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want. You don't want to do the body roll. We're just hinge, up, No arms on 5, 6. On 7, 8, you're gonna do crazy. So we're here, 5, 6, crazy, 7, 8. Nice. So putting that together with the first part, you were here on 8. We step open with our hips. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the corner, 5, 6, crazy, 7, 8. So we were here on 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, corner, 5, 6, then 7, 8. After we do crazy, we're gonna just jump to the front. 1, hold 2. You're gonna take your heels and do a little heel, step, heel, step. Heel, step, heel, step. It's got a little groove to it. If you wanna do arms, you're just kinda gonna bounce that opposite shoulder forward. So when my right foot goes out, my left shoulder, and then the opposite, left and right. So we were here, 1, hold, 2, and 3, and 4. So the heel touches out on the and count. So we were here, 7, 8, we go 1, hold, 2, and 3, and 4. From there, you're just kind of gonna do a little, your arms are just gonna go around. And I'm kind of gonna just do like a little bend and body roll. 5, and up, 5. We go 5, and on 6, 5, I'm gonna clap and just bring my right leg up. So I'm pushing out, 5, and then clapping on 6. So 5, 6, we'll squat, 5, 6. You're gonna step over 7. You're gonna come to the center on and we're gonna step up on 8. So you're here on 6, and you're just stepping out, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. There's no really arms, you're just going 7 and 8, but my head's gonna go, I'm gonna look on 7, and then I'm gonna go back to the front on and then up on 8. So it's nice and slow, that whole 8 count. We were here, 7, 8. You're gonna jump together, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, push, 5, clap, 6, look, 7, and 8. Again, so we were here, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, 1, hold, 2, and 3, and 4, push, 5, clap, 6, look, 7, and 8. One more time, a little faster, so we just did 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, 1, hold, 2, and 3, and 4, push, 5, 6, look, 7, and 8. From here, we're just gonna do some ribcage isolations. So think of your hips and your lower body staying completely still, and you're just taking your upper body from your ribcage up and moving it side to side. So we're going isolation, here, here. So I'm gonna go, let's take our hands, and they're just gonna be kind of behind our back here, and we're gonna lean left, and then we're gonna lean right, and then we're gonna take that ribcage and circle around. It's gonna go to the front and circle to the left. It's gonna go back and then back around. So we go left, right, around, all the way around. And I kind of have a bend in my knee when I do this. So your lower body's not completely still, but it's mostly your upper body moving. So again, we're going left, right, circle around. Counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, lean it to the left. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do what's called a pivot turn. You're gonna step on your right foot, and we pivot to the back. So you just switch your weight over to that left foot, and then again, we step on the right foot, and instead of doing another pivot turn, you're gonna turn over your left shoulder and just jump to the front. So it's half a pivot turn, 3/4 of a pivot turn, and then you jump together on 8. So we just did 1, 2, 3, 4. You step on your right foot. 5, pivot, 6, step, 7, turn and jump together on 8. One more time. 5, 6, lean it to the left. Go 1, 2, circle, 3, 4, step, 5, pivot, 6, step, 7 together, 8. All right, let's go back from the top all the way through the step with the rib isolation. So we're gonna step 1, snap 2. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, step right. Go 1, snap 2, 3, snap 4, 5, snap 6, 7, look 8. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz hands. 5, 6 together. 7, 8. Over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Corner goes. 5, 6. Crazy. 7, 8. We jump. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Push. 5, clap. 6, look. 7 and 8. Rib cage. 2, 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7. Jumping. Thanks so much for joining me for another beginner dance tutorial. I hope that you stood up and tried it with me, and I hope you enjoyed it. As a reminder, this video is the tutorial only, and if you want to see the combo with music, I've left a link for it down in the description below, or you can wait until the next screen and there will be a link to the video. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. See you in the next tutorial.